نن 27 تاریخ دی اوس چې 2 بجې دي 2 نه څه کم 3 بجې دي او تانې ته میشته روان یو پیدل
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack. Fast, fatal, heart impact. Past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions. Fact, don't ask. Grab reactions. Jacked attack with every word. Then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused. Call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose. Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember, you're discreet out. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. Get up and make a change. Don't worry.
راڼي ګراوند ته اوس
Speak your mind before your grave, cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name,
like
huh?
a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. Marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. Marching till it's over.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless. While others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and shit. I see why others...
The next day,
نن 28 تاریخ دی د ورځ ده او دا ساوي د انکل واده دی کارونه راغستې په دې کې چې
गिफ्ट کارونه गिफ्ट
نه دې ته کارډ وای لګا مورګو
انکل سره خو دې خاورې ښکاري سیمټ ښکاري
دنیا سره ولټه کوم دنیا ونی
خانه جوړ کړه
دا ځکه په ما پر
ساوي د انکل واده دی
راغستې په
کارونه راغستې په دې کې چې
गिफ्ट کارونه गिफ्ट
نه دې ته کارډ وای لګا دې کې پیسې
پیسې دبا کې دغه خو دې مرچکیش نه